Welcome back for my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec, on Monday the 2nd of December. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which is basically flat on the day. It's actually formed a couple of positive candles into the close last week. Interestingly enough, though, those two sessions were basically without the US trading really all that much at all. We had Thanksgiving Thursday and that strange little half-day Friday scenario that they have in the States. And what we saw is thin volumes, but market, interestingly, breaking that support at 109.90, which then induced an almost immediate reaction higher and spiked back through to 110.30, which is a basis of resistance initially. 110.25 to 110.30 throughout last week held as resistance. Now, we've seen that the market is just ticking around today, nothing too decisive, but those two positive candles have actually started to see those stochastics turning higher. MACD lines, are they bottoming? RSI sort of picking up off 40 again. So this is still a key crossroads moment, and I think that you can't really tell yet whether this is the beginnings of a recovery or whether it's going to again dissipate and the dollar starts to strengthen again, because at the moment you've got a risk positive vibe through markets, and that tends to sort of see the dollar hit slightly and the euro supported, but the trade dispute is still very much up in the air in terms of how phase one's going, and I think ultimately that's going to mean that euro dollar doesn't really know exactly which direction it's going to go on a sort of near to medium term basis. For now, we're sort of holding this area between 110 big figure, 110.30. Moving decisively above 110.30, I think that starts to see the market swing higher. You could argue resistance at around 110.50, but then basically what you see is that overhead pivot area, 110.75 to 111 figure, which has been numerous turning points over the last few months. So you sort of back into that area again, and that would be the inference really of a move above 110.30. But at the moment, we're sort of hanging around, biding time, seeing what the market is up to, and it's not really anything decisive. A close below 109.90 would open the lows of the range again, and we would anticipate still that this euro ultimately, I think, is going higher into 2020, but I cannot really rule out a dip below 109.90 initially before the market swings back higher again. But ultimately, I think that the euro is, for now, certainly ranging and lacking direction and looking for a catalyst. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.